Well, 2 years ng DILG secretary, siguro yung mga fire trucks na dating 200 wala sa buong Pilipinas. Pag alis ko, I made sure lahat nakakaroon na for delivery na at fire station. Mahirap yun, may sunog, wala kang fire trucks. Sumunod dito, masasabi ko sa jail. Kasi ginawa ko, lahat ng lalabas sa kulungan may trabaho na. So yung re-offending rate ng 30%, bumaba ng 3%. Yeah. Yung sa Hajj, ng mga ng mga ating brother Muslims, kumuha ko ng COA opinion na bigyan ng flexibility ang pondo para pambayad sa mga airport hotels. You've got the best Hajj of all. And then sa drugs, it was the BIDA program, and you've got the on record. This is the biggest seizure of any drugs at 33.8 billion for the first 2 years of any president in the history of the country. It's the biggest.
Sir, maliban kay Tebes, Kibuloy at Alice Cruz, ano po ba ang pinakamahirap mong ginawa during your convention?
Mahirap. Alam nyo, kasi ang DILG, sinusupervise mo ang gobernador, mayor, ang barangay captain, ang police, ang jail, ang fire, commission ng women, youth, ang Muslim Filipinos, ikaw pa head ng Napolcom. Isa sa pinakamahirap nung pinag-resign natin lahat ng General Colonel. Kung maalala nyo, dahil nagkaroon ng seizure ng drugs worth about 1 tonelada more or less ng droga sa Maynila. So nag-usap kami ng Presidente at ni Chief Asurin, PNP Chief. It was the consensus na ipag-resign lahat ng General Colonels. Just imagine kung di nag-resign yun o lumaban yun. Diba? And I made that. Maraming mga bagay-bagay na nangyari in between. Kaya nga ang sabi ko, to be an effective one, dapat alam mo nangyari on the ground. Dapat always, walang pinakaiba talaga, you always talk with your men. And pinaka-importante, once you reach a decision, have trust in your men. Yung tiwala, dapat huwag mawala.